Most roof damage doesn't happen during the storm. It happens in the hours right before and after, when nobody's paying attention. Most people do nothing before the storm, then panic after it. Both cost you money. There's a smarter order, and it starts before the wind picks up. Before the storm, inspect the roof from the ground. Look for loose shingles, worn flashing, or anything already vulnerable. Clear loose debris and anything the wind could turn into a projectile. Stage your tarp, tie downs, and ladder now, not buried in the garage when you need them at 2 in the morning. If you already know a section is weak, deal with it now. Don't wait for the storm to make that decision for you. After the storm, check the roof from the ground. Use binoculars if you have them. If it's wet or visibly damaged, don't climb up. Check inside too. New stains or drips can show you exactly where to inspect outside. Before you cover anything, document the damage. Take photos and video. Insurance may need proof before the tarp goes up. Then tarp it properly. Full overlap. Multiple secure points. Don't just throw a blue tarp over the damage and hope it holds. Once it's covered, call a licensed roofer. The tarp buys you time. It doesn't replace a professional inspection. The mistake I see all the time? People cover the damage first, then remember the photos. Once the tarp's up, your clearest evidence is gone. That can slow down an insurance claim or even reduce what gets covered. Pro tip, build your storm kit before storm season. Heavy-duty tarp, tie downs, a few boards, and a fully charged phone. 5 minutes now saves an hour of scrambling later. Prep before, document and protect after. That's how you limit the damage. Ever had to tarp a roof after a storm? What would you do differently? Tell me below. And if you know someone in a storm-prone area who isn't ready, send them this one. Everything for your storm kit is at Tarps Plus.